So we're gonna go from Iroquois Falls to Lovell's Lake. This one or this one? One of them here. Alright, tonight I'm car camping in the rain. Check it out. I'm at this little spot off the highway. Well, there we go. There was a sign here. Lots of trees falling. Maybe I don't want to park my car here. No. So this is where I put my car. Just off the highway. See some cars going by. There's a fire pit here. Not for me. It's like blue, huh? Or green. It's all rotted. So this is my campsite for tonight. Car camping in the rain. go. Well, I gotta set up my bed. I'm gonna go do that now in the rain. My sleeping bag. Gotta pull it up through that hole. There we go. It's getting dark. That's getting wet. Let's close this. Alright, hopefully that's working. My bed's all set up. So, that's good. Getting a little bit damp out there and dark, so probably gonna get changed soon. I forgot my little cold coffees, and I don't have a tarp, so I don't think my little butane thing's gonna work. But I have juice, so that's good. Good stuff. The temperature is 8.5 degrees Celsius. Not sure how long it's supposed to rain for. I'm at this little place called Lovell's Lake. I'll show you guys on the map in a second. I'll pull it up. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. It's my first time that's not in the winter time, so that's pretty exciting. This is my little box of stuff here. Got my tripod there. Last time I didn't have a tripod. My thing kept sliding off here. So now I have a tripod. My purse. So I got some water. And I have a can of mandarins. Oh, I mean mangoes. It was glared. I was reading through the phone for a second. I have my hat, mitts, a little neck warmer, and then I have these hot hands. So I'm going to use those. They lasted a long time last time I had them. I have little binoculars. This is my big flashlights. Bunch of them. I should probably grab one of those so it's a little bit brighter in here. Oh, and I have some toilet paper. I'm gonna need that probably. Never know. Has a little clip. I'm gonna hang it right here. I'll hang it right here on Ozzy's collar. Oh, like this puppy. Oh my god. There. What it looks like from the outside. I'm drying my rag from my glasses. Huh. Pretty dark. Oh. I forgot a spoon. What am I gonna do? I forgot a friggin' spoon. I have this little, oh no, there it is, front. It's tucked away. Okay, I have a spoon. Okay, I'm gonna eat my mangoes. There we go. Have my can of oranges. Why do I keep calling it different fruit, man? I mean mangoes. I just gotta eat it and then I'll know. Here we go. Just throw on the floor. Nice. It's good. Maybe a fork would have been easier. Look at this. Folds out. This is like my dessert. I had lasagna for supper already. I wish it wasn't raining. I wouldn't have to eat a can of food. My leg is getting a little bit wet. Don't want to go to bed wet. Alright, I'm done with these. Where's the lid? Oh, I threw it on the floor. Oh well. It's just gonna have to go in my cup container. There. Spoon. Ah, my finger. Never had that happen yet. Jeepers. Goes back away in here at least. So I won't lose it. There's holes in the crate, so my coffee's in here for tomorrow morning. It's only 9:12 right now. The bed's set up. The rain's starting to go up a little bit more. I'm not really going to walk around too much. I don't want to get my pants all wet and my coat all wet. So, I should have brought an umbrella. I keep saying that, but I was going to bring it and I thought I'd put it in my little crate here, but I didn't. I must have set it down and got distracted. I do that a lot. And my coffee and all my stuff. It's getting carried away singing. 9:20 though. It's dark out. Look at that stop sign right over there. See it, but my little flashlight. It's police security. I forget how much it was. I think it was like 30 bucks. Got it at Canadian Tire. Works pretty good. Temperature still only 8.5. Which is not too bad. I have a sleeping bag, so and I get changed and I'll see you in a couple seconds. I forgot I put it in my pillow. Oh. Now my pajama bottoms. My pajamas on now. They're fuzzy. 9:40, so I'm probably gonna go down in the back scene. I probably should have went to the washroom before I changed out of my wet clothes. Well, hopefully I don't have to pee. Put this in the back though, or I'll leave this up front because my shoes are up here. Where I can find it. I decided to put a crate in here instead of my backpack because it just makes it easier to get it at everything. The butane in the back, in the trunk, little stove, my bag of toilet paper. This is my backpack, but brought it in here. Just brought toilet paper in and I rolled it inside of the roll so it doesn't get unraveled. Well, it's 10:10 and I'm gonna head to the back. My little bed with my juice. Turn off my car. Grab my light. Light off, and I'll see you in the morning, I guess. Oh. Well, it's 5 a.m. Oh. Didn't eat my hot packs. Oh, it's cold out here. Whew. Oh, here's this. Oh. Ow. My head. 5:07 a.m. 7.5 degrees outside Celsius. I got a little chill right now that I'm awake and getting ready to go back home. We got to Little Mitts. I'm a little tired. I remember waking up at one point last night. I woke up and I forgot where I was, and I forgot that I was in the car. So I was like, I woke up and I sat up for a second and I was like looking around. I was like, wow, I'm not even at home. It was weird, but I slept good. I'm gonna head back home now though. This is the little view. Wish it was a little bit brighter so you could see, but that's okay. Back home now. It's too rainy outside to use my Coleman stove. So we're gonna go to Tim Hortons and get coffee this morning. Let's go. Morning, Oz. Good morning. Good morning. Got me and Pat coffees. Maybe Ozzy can come the next one, eh, Oz? Yeah.